Look at this kid. He can't hold a hoop or nothing. What was that little shake?
I'm one of the little people that go.
How did you do that? How you gonna use a bank shot? You didn't even call bank shot. You didn't even call bank shot. How you gonna do that? Of course I got you when you scored 10,000. What you got to say about yourself? Hey Chris, boy, you suck. You got beat bad. What are you doing? You got a mustache?
Yeah. May if I
You gotta do it that way. You gotta take the stuff. I can grow one faster and you can get that off.
I got it. Got one.
Look there. I should have beat you to it. Look at this guy. Ow. Okay, y'all, so look, it's raining. Yay. Enough goofing off. Hey, did you have a good time? Time to start on it. So, we really appreciate Jason and Kim inviting us to Shelby's birthday party. We had a blast. That's where we was at. Thank y'all for that. We're gonna get started on this. Start sanding. I got some runs in. I tried to build it up because there's some stuff on the fender here. We're gonna try to smooth some of this stuff up and go from there. Jason hooked me up with some more stuff to get this primer nice and smooth before we spray the clear on it, or the base coat on it. So let's get to work, y'all. All right, y'all. So y'all want to see what we got done so far, and then y'all can go from there. I'm just looking at it in the light. It's got some little places in it, like maybe trash. I don't know if the gun's got dirt in it or what. Hey, let me show you what we got so far. All right. So just so you know, the whole car is not going to be this color, okay? So we got a plan with what we're doing, and why I done what I just done. Let me show you. Oh boy, look at that. That is bright. And that's just the base. I mean, because we still got to do what we want to do, and then lay the rest of the base coat over the car, what color we're going with, and then clear it. So as you can see, it's got little dirt specks in it. I don't know what happened there, but well, that's a pretty green. I really like that. Kind of wish I would have done the whole car that color, but there you go. So I know these videos are being kind of short for what's going on with the car, but I can't show you the back. But man, I think it's going to be pretty cool when we get done with it, and y'all see end result of what's going down on this thing. Big shout out to Jason Allison for hooking us up and helping us out with what projects we got going on here lately. I mean, we could have still done it, but it's nice to have good friends and people behind you, y'all. So just remember, treat people right, treat people how you want to be treated. Things coming around, y'all. We wouldn't be doing the project. We wouldn't be doing this project if it wasn't for Jason. We would have skipped over this one and went straight to the 4Runner that we're doing next. But thank Andrew for the gun that I'm using. It's what I sprayed this with. And just everybody that's behind us, we appreciate it, y'all. But we're gonna get this project. Y'all, I love that green, y'all. I love bright colors. So, but this is just a hint of what's going on, and we're gonna have this project done this week. It'll be done, y'all. So stay with us, see what happens. I know it's just been teasers and it's not a project all in one, but hey, it is what it is, y'all. So thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time. What's up, YouTube? Make sure I had the right phone. So we're here, got it taped up. I got the logo made to go down the hood. This top square up here, yeah, that top square is going to be red. That's where the YouTube's going to be, and then the name's going to be down the rest of it. It legit, I'll throw a picture in here. If I remember, I'll put a picture in here. It goes all the way down the hood. So that's on his way up here. I've already scuffed that up, taped it off. We're gonna spray some red and we'll peel this right back off and let it dry. Then we'll get the sticker on, scuff everything up. So, well, we'll get the sticker tomorrow. It'll be tomorrow because we're gonna let it dry real good. So we'll get the sticker on it and go from there. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's mix up some red paint. I'm gonna try a different tip this time. I'm just trying this gun out. I sprayed the primer with a 1.8. I sprayed that paint with a 1.5. I'm gonna try a 1.3. We're gonna thin the paint like I did with the green, but we're gonna spray it with a 1.5 tip or a 13 tip instead of a 15 tip. So we sprayed that with a 15. We sprayed the primer with an 18. We're gonna spray other with a 13 or a 1.3. So let's get to it, y'all.